Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a card from Macy's. If you don't have a Macy's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Payment Cards. At the bottom of this page, you will see the cards linked to your account. To continue, click on the edit icon beside the card you wish to remove. Next, click on the Delete Card button. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to delete this credit card. To proceed, click on OK. That's how you remove a card from Macy's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.